Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, we need to simply right click anywhere on the taskbar and select Task Manager. So on this window, click on Run New Task, then select Browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive and then open Windows folder. Now find out System32 folder, simply double click on it to open it. Then find out cmd.exe file. So this is, select it, click on open. Now check this box and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands. So type all these commands carefully. Type sfc space / scan file equal to c:/windows /system32 /ieframe.dll and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command: sfc space / verify file equal to c:/windows /system32 /ieframe.dll. Again hit enter to execute this command. Once done, we need to type exit to close the command prompt window. Now simply we need to open the file explorer properties. So just search for file explorer and right click here, select properties. So here we will see our system type. So my system type is 64-bit. Make sure you need to check your system type. So go to search bar, type in Google Chrome, open any web browser. Then we need to search for, so simply search for vc runtime 140.dll. After that, click on the first link from the search results. So here it is. Once we are here, just scroll down and as per your system type, you need to download the file. So our system type is 64-bit. You can see here 64-bit. So simply click here to download the DLL file. You can just scroll down. We need to open its file location. Just close this. Again right click on it and select, just open it, copy this file, go to this PC, open C drive, open Windows folder. Then we need to find out the file name is syswow64. just open it. So right click anywhere or simply you can just paste this file here and click on continue. Once done, just minimize this folder, we will need this. Again open Google Chrome, and for now we need to find out msvcp 140.dll. again click on the first link from dllfiles.com. scroll down and as per your system type, you need to download the file. Just close this ad. Again wait for few seconds. This will download the file. Again double click on it to open it. Just copy this DLL file and again open this PC, C drive, Windows folder and syswow64 file. Again paste that DLL file here, click on continue. Once done, so that's it guys. Simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. You're good to go.